Let's explore how to strategically craft your ad campaigns to resonate with potential customers at each stage of the buyer's funnel. More importantly, we'll dive into how to allocate your budget effectively across these stages to maximize your ROI and drive successful outcomes. Now, before we start building targeted campaigns, it's crucial to understand that each stage of the funnel, awareness, consideration, and conversion, serves a different purpose and therefore requires a different investment strategy. Allocating your budget according to the role and potential ROI of each stage ensures that you're spending money where it's most effective, guiding potential customers towards making a purchase. In the awareness stage, your primary goal is to generate broad visibility and make as many potential customers as possible aware of your brand. Effective budget allocation and monitoring in this stage set the foundation for success in the more targeted later stages of the funnel. Here's how to approach it. Allocating your budget in the awareness stage involves focusing on platforms that offer wide exposure. Here's how to utilize Google Ads for expansive visibility. Use the Google Display Network, or the GDN, to place your ads on a vast array of websites across the internet. This network allows you to display your ads on sites that your target audience frequently visits, maximizing exposure. Consider utilizing Google's Performance Max, which utilizes all of Google's placements to give you the vast amount of visibility. Another top of funnel for great visibility is YouTube. As the second largest search engine and a platform with extensive daily viewership, YouTube is an excellent channel for building brand awareness. Invest in skippable or non-skippable video ads to engage viewers. Utilizing YouTube's targeting options, such as demographic and interest-based targeting, helps ensure that your ads are viewed by individuals who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. Broad keywords in search are also great to drive visibility. While typically more focused on the consideration and conversion stages, using broad match keywords in Google search can also help increase overall awareness. These keywords should be general and related to your brand or industry, helping to capture more traffic from users who are in the early stages of understanding their needs. In the awareness stage, ROI isn't directly measured by immediate conversions or sales. Instead, focus on metrics that indicate early engagement and interest, which can lead to conversions in the later stages. Take a look at your reach and impressions. These metrics help you understand how many people have seen your ads. A high number of impressions and a broad reach are indicators of successful exposure. Next, clicks and traffic. While clicks are not the ultimate goal at this stage, tracking how many people click on your ads and visit your website can provide insights into how compelling your ads are. High click-through rates suggest that your ads are relevant and engaging to the audience. On platforms like YouTube, look at engagement metrics such as view duration, likes, shares, and comments. These metrics help you gauge the quality of interaction and impact of your content. Monitor increases in searches for your brand name on Google. An uptick in brand searches can be a strong indicator that your awareness campaigns are resonating and that more people are considering your brand for their needs. Now, during the consideration stage, the allocation of your budget becomes more targeted compared to the awareness stage. Typically, you might allocate approximately 30 to 40% of your overall digital marketing budget to this stage, depending on your specific business model and sales cycle. Here's how you can invest this budget effectively. Use Google search ads to target keywords that are more specific than those used in the awareness stage, but still not as narrow as those in the conversion stage. Keywords here might include comparisons, reviews, or specific product features. Even in the consideration stage, not all of your traffic is going to convert on that first touch point, so always layer in some type of remarketing campaigns. This is a key strategy in the consideration stage. Implement remarketing campaigns to reconnect with users who have visited your website but have not yet made a purchase. Tailor your ads based on the pages they visited, which can indicate their interest and how far they are in the decision-making process. Once again, we can utilize the Google Display Network or Performance Max to serve ads that feature helpful content, such as how-to guides, product comparisons, or webinars. These ads should be directed at users who have shown a clear interest in your products or services and are likely to appreciate deeper information. Controlling ROI in the consideration stage involves a shift in metrics from broad engagement to more specific indicators of interest and intent. Look at your click-through rates. A high click-through rate at this stage indicates that your ads are relevant to the interests of your audience, which suggests effective targeting and messaging. Also look at the average session duration and pages per session. Track how long users are staying on your site and how many pages they visit after clicking an ad. Longer sessions and more pages per visit can indicate a higher level of interest in your offerings. Analyze user behavior on your site to determine how they interact with your content. Are they watching product videos, downloading buying guides? Such interactions are strong indicators of consideration. For companies focused on generating leads rather than direct sales, measure the increase in form submissions, sign up for free trials, or downloads of white papers during this stage. Based on these metrics, continuously optimize your spending. If certain keywords or ad formats drive particularly strong engagement or high quality leads, consider reallocating more budget to these areas. Conversely, pull back on strategies that do not perform well to ensure that your budget is always focused on the most effective tactics. The conversion stage is critical as it directly affects your revenue and profitability. Here's how to approach budget allocation and ROI to control your results. Allocating your budget in the conversion stage involves focusing on those users who are at the brink of making a purchasing decision. You might dedicate about 20 to 30% of your overall digital marketing budget to this stage, depending on your product lifestyle and average sales cycle. Here's some effective strategies at the conversion stage. Utilize high-intent search keywords. Concentrate your budget on keywords that signal strong purchase intent. Examples include keywords that incorporate terms like buy, deal, discount, or very specific product names. These keywords are more likely to convert into sales as they are used by consumers ready to transact. Always utilize conversion-optimized ad setups. Design your ads with clear, compelling calls to action, and ensure the landing pages are optimized for conversion. This means clear messaging, fast loading times, and mobile-friendly designs. Ensure that all elements are aligned with the intent to purchase, removing any friction that might deter a potential buyer. Heavily lean on machine learning at this stage. Utilize Google Ads smart bidding options like Target CPA or ROAS, which is Return on Ad Spend. These automated bidding strategies use machine learning to optimize your bids in real time, aiming to get the most conversion at the best possible price. This approach helps in maximizing the efficiency of your overall ad spend. Measuring ROI in the conversion stage is more straightforward than in the earlier stages because you can directly see the impact of your ad spend on sales. Take a look at your sales conversions. This is the most direct metric to track. Monitor the number of conversions that result directly from your ads, which could be sales, bookings, or subscription, depending on your business model. Keep a close eye on your CPA, or cost per acquisition, which measures the cost of acquiring a new customer through a specific ad or campaign. A lower CPA indicates a more cost-effective campaign, directly contributing to better profitability. Always look for your conversion rate. This metric indicates the percentage of users who take a desired action divided by the total number of users who clicked on your ad. High conversion rates often reflect well-targeted ads and effective landing pages. One of, if not the most important, is your ROAS, or Return on Ad Spend. Calculate your ROAS to understand the direct financial return of your campaigns. This is crucial for assessing the profitability of your ad spend, guiding decisions on how to allocate future budgets. As your strategy evolves, be prepared to shift budget allocations based on performance data. If one stage shows higher ROI, adjust your budget to capitalize on this. Implement A/B testing across all stages to refine ads and improve ROI. Use Google Analytics alongside Google Ads to gain deeper insights into user behavior and campaign effectiveness. And maintain a holistic view of the ROI that includes brand impact, customer lifetime value, and indirect benefits like increased search traffic. To maximize the effectiveness of your Google Ads campaigns, it's vital to dedicate appropriate budgets to each stage of the funnel and actively manage your ROI. By tailoring your budgeting strategy and continuously optimizing your campaigns, you ensure that your advertising spend not only achieves, but exceeds your marketing objectives.